अच्छा गुड थैंक यू हिंदी में
Three.
Hello everyone, I am Mannat Kaur, little Darshanite of UKGB. I welcome our esteemed chief guest, LMC members, principal sir, HM ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends to this wonderful event. Your presence add value to this gathering. Thanks for blessing us with your presence. Let's make this event memorable. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Rupjot Kaur from Standard LKGB. Now let's start event by offering our prayers to Ma Saraswati with lamp lighting ceremony as tribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Let's invite our honorable chief guest, principal sir and HM ma'am for lit the lamp. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am here to tell you about our Indian flag. Saffron color represents strength, white color represents peace and purity, green color represents greenery of land, and the middle we have Ashoka Chakra. It's blue in color. Thank you. Jai Hind. Our vision holistic development of the student physically, mentally, spiritually, intellectually and emotionally. Thank you. Our mission is education for a peaceful world, creating generation of peacemaker with the tagline of be good, do good, be one. Thank you.
I request all the students to please take oath position. Take oath position. I promise to read each day and each night. I know it's the key of growing upright. I will read every day at home and at school on my bean bag or bed by the fireplace or pool. So I take this oath to make reading my way of feeding my brain what it needs every day. Thank you.
A big round of applause for.
A very happy good morning to one and all present here. मैंने सुना है खुदा ने अच्छे लोग बहुत कम बनाए हैं. मैंने सुना है खुदा ने अच्छे लोग बहुत कम बनाए हैं, पर जितने भी बनाए हैं आज सब हमारी महफिल में आए हैं. I am here to tell you about USP of Darshan Academies. Darshan Education Foundation has developed a unique holistic concept for the school that helps children develop their highest potential spiritually, intellectually, emotionally and physically. In addition to being immersed in a rich academic curriculum, students follow a daily lesson plan from the spiritual curriculum developed by Darshan Education Foundation. Darshan Education Foundation strive to provide an education that embrace all aspects of child's being, enabling the child to meet challenges and lead life with knowledge supported by wisdom, ethical values, good decision making skills as well as respect for all life. Students in Darshan Academy follow a full academic program designed to meet the state requirements and standards. The curriculum is of the highest quality and students are expected to achieve the maximum standard of academic excellence. In India, they are prepared for the secondary and senior secondary examination to be conducted by CBSE. Darshan Education Foundation believes in each child's unique individual with a variety of talents and learning needs. Students are trained for life to be high achiever and good human being. They learn goal setting, time management and self habits. Students develop resourcefulness and flexibility through which they can master and use new rapidly changing fields of knowledge and technology. This is time to invite our little Darshanites, baby Ratan from nursery and Master Hanish Jassal from UKG on stage to proceed the function by throwing a light on how we start our day in Darshan Academies.
Greetings to all. I am Rita Dashanite from class 30B. Step soul meditation. Hanish Bhaiya, sitting in a comfortable pose. Close your eyes gently, focus the straight. Repeat name of God in your thoughts. To meditation. Rub your hands Relax your eyes. Open your eyes. Thank you. Greetings to all. My name is Akshdeep Singh from class nursery A. Greetings to all. I'm Rita Dashanite from class nursery B. Greetings to all. My name is Sukta Singh from class nursery B. Polybags, here and there. Polybags, everywhere. In the water, up in the air, on the road, everywhere. Say no to plastic. Let's give this message. Thank you. क्या आपको पता है हम जाने में अपनी धरती को दुख पहुंचा रहे हैं प्लास्टिक का यूज करके। आज मैं तुम्हारे साथी अपने 10 बार एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूँ कि आप प्लास्टिक नो बोलो तो अपनी धरती को बचाओ।
कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए अगर सुन लो तो संभल ना हम तो हम ये फट जाएगा ये बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा शहर ये बस जाएगा बस ये हमसे मोहताज है कैसा ये समाज है कल ना हो हाथों में आज मैं मौका ये अपना गवाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाएंगे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाएंगे सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ दिल ड्रास्टिक है सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ दिल
You all are enjoying the function now. LKG class. Will parents are all pay off numbers. Thank you. One day, some teacher was a meeting of
applause for them.
I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold up a pie so clean and bright. Clap them softly. Clean little hands are good to see. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold up a pie so clean and bright. Clap them softly. Clean little hands are good to see. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold up a pie so clean and bright. Clap them softly. Clean little hands are good to see. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold up a pie so clean and bright. Clap them softly. Clean little hands are good to see.
So beautiful, so elegant, that's looking like a wow. That's looking like a wow. That's looking like a wow. Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy, Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy. Let's enjoy this song with my buddies. Thank you.
We study, we love to make. We study, we love to make. We sing and truthful and our school and kind and also respectful. Be good, do good, be one. Be good, do good, be one. All this will help us to be strong. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
A big round of applause for our these kids. A big round of applause.
Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy. We belong to one single family. Love, peace, service, and unity. Our aim is to help.
Hey everyone, my name is Smriti. Call from UKG class. I want to take a moment to share a little bit about my kindergarten experience. It feels like just yesterday when I walked into that classroom for the first time. Feel the big excitement. I remember making new friends, playing games, and learning so many new things. Thank you, my old kindergarten teacher. I love you all. Thank you. Hey everyone, so I wanted to take a moment to share my kindergarten experience. I remember the joy of story session, art project, and even field trip. I still remember the fun of finger painting and circle time out of the classroom. Thank you. Greetings to all. My name is Anaya from UKG class. Greetings to all. My name is Anaya from UKG class. Every day I learn new things here and enjoy it with my friends. I have learned discipline and punctuality from my teachers. Thank you. Greetings to
फिर आप सुनोगे ही नहीं तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा। बहुत मेहनत की है इन बच्चों ने, बहुत याद किया है छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने, तो प्लीज लिसन इट।
Hello everyone, my name is Ashtif Kaur from LKG class. My school is a very beautiful place. I learn new things every day. Now tell about fun and learning in my school. We have a big playground and there are lot of sports. Thank you. Greetings to all. My name is Manor from UKG From LKG B class, I will share my experience with you all. I learned to play with method. I do meditation daily. I enjoy this sport program. Thank you.
Now we have on stage our principal sir, Mr. Rasik Gupta, our HM, Mrs. Aarti Sharma, our chief guest, Mr. Jaswant Singh Pavla, and Ashish Sharma, and our LMC members, Mr. Purushottam Singh on stage. Please give them a big round of applause. From A+ graders we have Aditya, Afridi, Anaira Agnihotri, Anmol Singh, Gurbaz Singh, Gurkirat Singh, Gurmehar Kaur, Gurnoor Singh, Gursehat Singh, Harshpir Singh, Harsimran Kaur, Jaskirat Kaur, Karamveer Singh, Nakshdeep Singh, Navneet Kaur, Noor Thakur, Parmeet Kaur, Sarabjit Kaur, Shivan Singh, Simratveer Singh, and Vanshveer Singh. A big round of applause for them. And now on stage, I would like to invite our A+ graders from LKG A standard. From LKG A we had Agamjot Kaur, Agampreet Singh, Anhadveer Singh, Arav Sharma, Ashdeep Kaur, Deepjot Singh, Divya Kant, Ekamjot Kaur, Gurkirat Singh, Harkirat Singh, Hiteshpreet Singh, Ishmeet Singh, Jaivir Singh, Japleen Kaur, Jasmeet Kaur, Jasmeet Kaur, Jasneet Kaur, Kananpreet Kaur, Kanika Bhatia, Karmanpreet Kaur, Naksh Verma, Navraj Singh, Prabsukh Singh, Radha Sharma, Ravneet Kaur, Saksham, Satvik Rana, and Tanishq Rishiraj. Now on stage we have LKG B students, A+ graders. Adab Singh, Ashley Kaur, Anaya, Balveer Singh, Bhuvnesh Sharma, Deepika, Ekampreet Singh, Eknoor Singh, Garvit, Gurnoor Kaur, Harman Singh, Harsirat Kaur, Japanshveer, Jaskaran Singh, Karamjeet Singh, Mayank, Natasha, Navgun, Ranveer Singh, Roopjot Kaur, Sahibjot Singh, Sarabjot Singh, Sahajpreet Singh, Shanaya Khanna, and Sirat Kaur. A big round of applause for them. We have one special trophy for a special student who got 100% attendance in this session 2023 and 24. And that is Jaspreet Singh of UKGA. A big round of applause for him. So let's prepare ourselves for Degree Mahotsav, for which we all were waiting patiently. And for that, our graduates of UKGA are here with us on stage. A big round of applause for them. Amanat Sanghera relates well to classmates and is appreciative of different perspectives and experiences. She wants that the generation of our country becomes more responsible and good citizens. Keeping this in mind, she has set the goal of her life to become a teacher. Dear Amanat, may God fulfill all your dreams. Anaya Virdi. solving problems with classmates and uses good communication. Teaching is a noble profession. She knows that. So her dream of life is to become a teacher. Dear Anaya, congratulations and may God fulfill all your dreams. Abnoor Kaur shows responsible behavior, works well, shows responsible behavior, works well with the group and shows appreciation for the efforts of classmates. We all know that doctors are the god on earth. So, she wants to serve the people in the form of doctor. Dear Abnoor, go ahead for making society disease free. Bhavjot Singh. Bhavjot Singh is accountable and responsible. He makes smart decisions, admits mistakes and listens to opportunities to improve. He loves the uniform of army. It makes all of us proud. To be an army officer is the aim of his life. Dear Bhavjot, congratulations and best of luck. Daksh Sharma is involved in class and willingly participates in group discussions. His aim is to become a policeman. Dear Daksh, may God fulfill all your dreams. Congratulations and good luck. Daljot Kaur is confident, positive and a great role model for her classmates. She knows that the doctors are the lifesavers. So, she wants to become a doctor in her life. Dear Daljot, best of luck for your future. Gurjot Singh is a very good listener and always follows the instructions given to him. He wants to serve the nation in the form of a policeman. Dear Gurjot, congratulations and keep shining in all areas. Gurnoor Singh Gurnoor is always looks for ways to be helpful in the classroom. A crime-free country is his dream. So his goal of life is to become an army officer. Dear Gurnoor, good choice. May God fulfill all your dreams. Harjot is thoughtful, insightful and well-versed in written and verbal communication and has a talent for expressing his ideas clearly. His dream is to build new buildings and bridges for his country. Wow! He wants to become an engineer. Dear Harjot, congratulations and good luck. Hani Kataria Hani Kataria performs independent work with confidence and focus. He wants to serve the nation in the uniform of IPS officer. Dear Hani, congratulations and good luck for achieving your goal. Jasprit Singh Jasprit Singh is very conscientious and shows excellent effort and care with daily work. His aim of life is to become a policeman. Dear Jasprit, we know that you will make us feel proud of you. Congratulations. Jatin Padyal. Jatin Padyal is focused during classroom activities and willingly participates in class discussions. We love aeroplanes and helicopters, so he wants to fly them as a pilot. Dear Jatin, congratulations, we are proud of you. Mankirat. Mankirat always looks for ways to be helpful in the classroom. A crime-free country is his dream. So his goal of life is to become an army officer. Dear Mankirat, good choice. May God fulfill all your dreams. Manraj Singh. Manraj Singh is confident and positive. He has a very strong body. He wants everyone to have the same. So he wants to become a sportsman. Dear Manraj, good luck. Be a star and best of luck for your future. Navraj Singh. Navraj Singh shows responsible behavior, works well with a group and shows appreciation for the efforts of classmates. We all know that doctors are the god on earth, so he wants to serve the people in the form of doctor. Dear Navraj, go ahead for making society disease free. Paramveer Singh. Manages his emotions maturely and responds to feedback appropriately. His dream is to fly high and touch the sky. His aim of life is to become a pilot. Dear Paramveer, congratulations and best of luck for your future. Pranab Bajotra. Pranab Bajotra works well with classmates in group work and often takes a leadership role. We know that he will do the best in whatever he opts for himself. In best of luck, Pranab. Sanvi. Sanvi. It has been a pleasure to have Sanvi's enthusiasm, positivity and maturity in my class. She wants to provide the good health to the people of the country. Her goal in life is to become a doctor. Dear Sanvi, congratulations and may God fulfill all your dreams. Simriddhi Kaur. Simriddhi Kaur demonstrates willingly and good efforts in her daily life. She knows the value of good education in the society. Her dream of life is to become a principal. Dear Simriddhi, congratulations and best of luck for your future. Sargun Bhadwaj. Works independently and takes pride in work done well. She knows how to control the little champs, so her dream is to become the teacher in future. Dear Sargun, doors of Darshan Academy will be open for you. Congratulations. Sahajpreet. Sahajpreet performs independent work with confidence and focus. He wants to serve the nation in the uniform of IPS officer. Dear Sahajpreet, congratulations and good luck for achieving your goal. Thank you and congratulations to all the graduates of UKG A class.
बेटा इधर इधर यस
Bhupinderjeet. Bhupinderjeet relates well to the classmates and is appreciative of different perspectives and experiences. She wants that the generation of our country becomes more responsible and good citizen. Keeping this in mind, she has set the goal of her life to become a teacher. Dear Bhupinderjeet, God fulfill all your dreams. Dipanshu. He works independently and takes pride in work done well. Dipanshu wants to become an army officer. Dear Dipanshu, good luck for your future. Gurbaz manages his emotions maturely and responds to the feedback appropriately. Gurbaz wants to fly up high in the sky. He has chosen to become a pilot and become mentor for future male pilots. We are so proud of you that you are the part of our school. Keep shining and congratulations. Gurkirat Singh. Gurkirat always looks for ways to be helpful in the classroom. A crime-free country is his dream. So his goal of life is to become a police officer. Dear Gurkirat, good choice. May God fulfill all your dreams. Gursharan. Gursharan is accountable and responsible. He makes smart decisions, admits mistakes, and listens to opportunities to improve. He loves the uniform of army. It makes all of us proud. To become an army officer is the aim of his life. Dear Gursharan, congratulations and best of luck. Hanish Jassal. Hanish has shown excellent ability to set goals and be persistent in achieving them. If the border of a country is secure, then the whole country will be secure. His aim of life is to become an army officer. Congratulations and good luck for your future. Harkirat Singh. Harkirat is focused during classroom activities and willingly participates in class discussions. He loves aeroplanes and helicopters, so he wants to fly them high as a pilot. Dear Harkirat, congratulations and good luck for your future. Harman Singh. Harman Singh works with classmates in group and often takes leadership role. We know that he will do the best in whatever he opts for himself in future. Dear Harman, best of luck and congratulations. Jasleen Kaur. Jasleen is very good in sports. She wants to become a sports person in the form of wrestler and wants to win the medal for her country. We are so proud of you that you are the part of Darshan Academy. Dear Jasleen, best of luck and congratulations. Jaspreet Singh. Jaspreet is very good listener and always follows the instructions given to him. He wants to serve the nation in the form of a policeman. Dear Jaspreet, congratulations and keep shining in all the areas. Kimaira. Kimara shows a positive attitude with classmates in group projects and activities and give and take suggestions and directions effectively. She likes to taste the different dishes, so she wants to become a chef. Wow, dear Kimara, would definitely like to taste your cuisine in future. Congratulations and best of luck for your future. Kunal Singh. Kunal performs independent work with confidence and focus. He wants to serve the nation in the uniform of army officer. Dear Kunal, congratulations and good luck for achieving your goal. Maninder Singh. Maninder is responsible behavior, works well with the group and shows appreciation for the efforts of classmates. We all know that the doctors are the god on earth. So he wants to serve the people in the form of doctor. Dear Maninder, go ahead for making society disease free. Manjinder Singh. Manjinder works independently and takes pride in work done well. Manjinder wants to become an army officer. He loves his motherland and wants to choose the job of securing the nation. Dear Manjinder, good luck for your future. We will definitely feel safe when you will guard the border. Mannat Kaur. Mannat shows maturity when solving problems with classmates and uses good communications. Teaching is a noble profession. She knows that. So her dream of life is to become a teacher. Dear Mannat, congratulations and may God fulfill all your dreams. Priyansh Baswal. Priyansh listens to and follows directions precisely and attentively. He is brave and compassionate and wants to protect people who are trapped in their houses in case of fire hazards. So he has chosen to be a fireman. Dear Priyansh, you are an amazing student of our class. You will truly shine. Sargun Singh. Sargun is very conscientious and shows excellent effort and care in regards to daily work. He is very creative. Dear Sargun, keep up the good work. Best of luck for your future. Sachreet Kaur. Sachreet works independently and takes pride in work done well. She knows how to control the little chaps, so her dream of life is to become the teacher in future. Dear Sachreet, doors of Darshan Academy will be open for you. Sahajpreet Kaur. Sahajpreet is thoughtful, insightful and through in mind and verbal communication and has talent for expressing her ideas clearly. Her monitoring power is very good and she can handle different situations very well. She wants to be a teacher. Dear Sahajpreet, keep doing the wonderful things you are doing. All the best for your future. Shubman Soraya. Shubman is focused during classroom activities and willingly participates in class discussions. He wants to become an army officer. He is good in sports and believes in physical fitness. Dear Shubman, best of luck and congratulations for your future.
सरदार जसवंत सिंह जी, एक्सियन पंजाब स्कूल, पंजाब स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड दसूआ, एंड श्री आशीष शर्मा जी, एक्सियन पंजाब स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड
He's at
भोगपुर. Our respected LMC member Shri Harbans Lal ji and all the guests present over here. I would like to say that it's not easy to come here and perform on the stage. All our students right from nursery to UKG have done wonderfully well. The way they have confidently presented each and every act which they prepared here on the stage in front of you speaks volumes for them as well as the staff members who had prepared them for today's important event. I must congratulate all the teachers who had been making relentless efforts for past many days, in fact months I must say, to prepare these children for today's all important day. Our HM, Mrs. Aarti Sharma, and all the teachers of kindergarten, they deserve a big, very big round of applause for all their efforts which have borne fruit today, and our little ones of UKG are going to be graduates and grown-ups when they will be ushered to the senior wing along with their teachers, and they will become the Darshanites of senior wing. From the senior most students of UKG in Darshan Academy kindergarten, now they are going to be the junior most in the senior wing of the school. But I would like to say our team of senior wing, Darshan Academy senior wing, will welcome you with open arms and hearts, and you will not feel the absence of your teachers in junior wing who have taken care of you and nurtured you for 3 good years. So I welcome all the graduates of UKG to senior wing now, and once again I would like to appreciate the parents also, those who stayed here with us, though it was a long function, and I know mostly the parents are of UKG B because your act was in the end, so you had to be here, but we'll keep you for just 5 minutes more, as I would request our chief guest of the day to come and address for a moment. Please, a big round of applause for our chief guests. They have found time out of their busy schedule and stayed with us from beginning till end to encourage the staff and students of Darshan Academy Dasua. Thank you, sir.
ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਸਮਾਗਮ 'ਚ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਸਾ ਲਾਲ ਜੀ ਮੈਂਬਰ, ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਹੈਡ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਔਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਔਰ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ, ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ 'ਤੇ ਆਪ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ। ਔਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਸ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਨ 'ਚ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗਾ ਜੋ ਬਾਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਇੰਨੀ ਯੰਗ ਏਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੋਲ, ਹਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੋਲ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਇੰਨੀ ਯੰਗ ਏਜ 'ਚ। ਇਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਗੋਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ, ਏਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ, ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਚੀਵ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੋਕ ਸਕਦਾ। ਇਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕਦੇ, ਸਕਾਈ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਲਿਮਿਟ। ਹੁਣ ਦੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ 'ਚ ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮੌਕੇ ਆ, ਅਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀਜ਼ ਆ, ਔਰ ਬੱਚਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਵਲ 'ਤੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕਦਾ। ਸਿਰਫ ਓਨਲੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਮਨ 'ਚ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ, ਅਚੀਵ ਕਰਨਾ। ਓਨਲੀ ਫੋਰਸਲੀ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਜੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਤਜਰਬਾ ਆ, ਅਗਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਮਨ 'ਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆ ਬਣਨਾ ਆ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੋਕ ਸਕਦਾ। ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਤਜਰਬਾ ਆ, ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰੇਗੇ ਔਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਵੱਡੇ ਅਫਸਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਉਣਗੇ। ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਰਮਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਬਾਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਵਲ 'ਤੇ, ਇੰਡੀਆ ਲੈਵਲ 'ਤੇ, ਹਰ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ। ਪਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ, ਬੱਚੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾਣ। ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੇਸ ਕੀਤਾ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੁਝ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਫਰਮਾਂ 'ਚ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਏ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਆਈ। ਔਰ ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਕਹਿਣਾ, ਮੇਰੀ ਬੇਟੀ MBBS ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਫਾਈਨਲ ਈਅਰ ਦੇ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ, ਹੁਣ ਵੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਆ। ਔਰ ਬੇਟਾ ਵੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਨੋਨ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ 'ਚ, ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ 'ਚ ਜਾਣ ਦਾ। ਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਸੋਚਣਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਜਿੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਫੀਲਡ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਫੀਲਡ 'ਚ ਬੱਚਾ ਐਕਸਪਰਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ, ਹਰ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆ। ਪਰ ਓਨਲੀ ਕਿ ਉਹਦਾ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਰਸਲੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਚੂਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਉਣਾ। ਬੱਚਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਜਾਵੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ, ਔਰ ਉਹ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਜੀ।
ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਕਮੇਟੀ, ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਅਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੀਫ ਗੈਸਟ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਸਰ ਅਤੇ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਮੈਂਬਰ, ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਗ੍ਰੈਜੂਏਟ ਸੈਰੇਮਨੀ 'ਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ ਦੇਣ ਲਈ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਅਤੇ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਰੂਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੈਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ। ਬਾਕੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਸਰ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੜੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਈਵਨ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਸੈਰੇਮਨੀ ਹੈ। ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਜੂਨੀਅਰ ਅਕੈਡਮਿਕ ਤੋਂ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਬੈਂਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚਾ ਟਰਾਂਸਫਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੈਟ ਟੂਗੈਦਰ ਪਲੱਸ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਇਕੱਠਿਆਂ ਦਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਓਪਨ ਹਾਰਟਡ, ਜਿਹਦਾ ਮੈਡਮ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹੀਆਂ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਫੈਲਾ ਕੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸਟੇਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਂਟਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ। ਅਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ, ਹੋਰ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਨਗੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਰੰਗ ਲਾਏਗੀ, ਅਤੇ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਅਫਸਰ ਬਣਨਗੇ, ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਆਪਣਾ ਰੋਲ ਨਿਭਾਉਣਗੇ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
Greetings to all. I would like to convey my sincere thanks to our esteemed chief guest, LNC members, principal sir, HM ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends to this on the behalf of Darshan Academy Dasua. A wide round of applause and thanks to all present here. Thank you for making this event a grand success. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Very good.
ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਬੰਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਕੀਤਾ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਗ੍ਰੈਜੂਏਸ਼ਨ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਇਸ ਜਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਹਾਂ। ਮੈਂ ਮਨਕੀਰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ ਮਹਿਮਾਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਚੀਫ ਗੈਸਟ ਐਚਐਮਐਮ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸਰ ਅਧਿਆਪਕਾਂ ਮਾਤਾ ਪਿਤਾ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਰ ਚੰਨ ਲਗਾਏ हैं। धन्यवाद। धन्यवाद मनकीरत। अब मैं प्रियांश बसवाल यूकेजी बी का छात्र यहाँ आए मुख्य मेहमान प्रिंसिपल सर एचएमएम सभी अध्यापकगण और माता पिता और अपने सभी दोस्तों को धन्यवाद कुछ पंक्तियों के द्वारा करना चाहता हूँ। हमारी खुशियों के अवसर में आकर आपने लगा दिए चार चांद। आपने लगा दिए चार चांद। दिल की गहराइयों से आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपको दिल की गहराइयों से आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਰੀ ਸੀਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਐਡਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਕਿ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਬੱਚਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਰਹੇਗਾ ਬਟ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਡੇ ਬਾਈ ਡੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਸਕੂਲ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਰੀਜ਼ ਮਤਲਬ ਦੂਰ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੇਫ ਐਂਡ ਸਿਕਿਉਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਵਾਇਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਡੀਲਿੰਗ ਆ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੋਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਥੈਂਕਫੁਲ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟਾਫ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟਡ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸਰ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੱਕੀ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ ਪਾਰਟ ਹਾਂ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
यस कोई और अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहते हैं रिगार्डिंग स्कूल? यस प्लीज सर।
थैंक यू मैम। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नीरज बसवाल है और मेरा बेटा प्रियांश बसवाल जो कि फ़िलहाल यूकेजी से ग्रेजुएट होकर के और अब सीनियर विंग की जाने की ओर अग्रसर है। और एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो स्टार्टिंग में जब स्कूल का टाइम आता है तो हर एक पेरेंट्स के मन में एक विचार आता है कि स्कूल किस स्कूल में भेजा जाए और कहाँ पे इसका जो है एजुकेशनल एकेडमिक और मेंटल करिकुलम वगैरह सब कुछ जो है डेवलपमेंट पूरे तरीके से हो सके। तो काफ़ी फीडबैक्स के बाद में लोगों ने काफ़ी कहा कि जी कैम्ब्रिज है, डीएवी है और कॉन्वेंट वगैरह काफ़ी स्कूल्स है, लेकिन मैंने पर्सनली विजिट करने के बाद ये डिसाइड किया कि दर्शन एकेडमी इज़ द बेस्ट वन विच आई फील कि यहाँ जो है बच्चा पढ़ना चाहिए। और काफ़ी हद तक हमने इस चीज़ को महसूस किया है और देखते देखते आज वो दिन आया है कि जूनियर विंग से हम बच्चे के तौर पर विदा लेना आज जो है बढ़ रहा है और सीनियर विंग में हम नया एक्सपीरियंस महसूस करेंगे। तो सभी टीचर्स का जो अब तक साथ रहा है स्टार्टिंग से, शारदा मैम स्टार्टिंग में थे नर्सरी में, उसके बाद कंचन मैम, अब दलजीत मैम के अंडर में गाइडेंस में जो है प्रियांश पढ़ा है और काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा रहा। और फिलहाल जाते जाते मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा सभी स्टाफ मेंबर्स, पूरी मैनेजमेंट्स का कि हर खुशियों पर हक हो आपका, खुशियों भरा सफ़र हो आपका, गम कभी करवट ना ले आपकी तरफ, सदा मुस्कुराता रहे चेहरा आपका। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Hello, dear ones. My husband and I would like to thank Darshan Academy very much for this message, for the wonderful work you have done for our child through all the nursery, LKG and UKG classes, where he has learned, grown, and where he has opened up to the world around him. I admire all the dedication and heart you put into your work, day and night, almost non-stop. You have to love teaching to do it, and pass it on the children, to the children. When a teacher does his job with a lot of love, the child will feel it and will love going to this school. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mr. Rishi Gupta, whom I follow on Facebook for dedication to his school. Frankly, stop. Oh, it's good. Mrs. Arti Sharma. And a very big thank you to Mrs. Pushpinder, Mrs. Kanchan, and to Mrs. Darji. Oh, thank you very much. We follow our son throughout his 3 years. And of course, to all the team behind them. Not forgetting all the staff at Dashan Academy. A big, big well done to all of you. Keep up the good work. Thank you, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Bravo. Merci beaucoup.
Hey everyone, my name is Satritkar from UKGB. Now let's welcome wonderful dance of UKGA with open hearts and open mind. Get ready to be high dance of entertainment with their dance performance. So let's enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you, Daljit ma'am. Hope you all are enjoying the function. Now LKG class will present the all pair of numbers. Thank you. One day, a great teacher called the meeting of numbers. All the numbers came there except 0. The teacher became angry and ordered the number find 0. All the numbers find 0, hiding behind a tree. Teacher ran 0. Why are you hiding? 0 starting crying and said, I have no value. The teacher ordered number 1 to stand before 0. What is the value of 1? All the numbers shouted, 10, 10, 10. If the teacher added 1 more 0 and asked what the value of 1. All the numbers shouting, 100, 100, 100. Now 0 become hero. Now 0 become hero. Speak loudly. Now 0 become hero. Moral of the story is every person